My dear father, until now, my cooking and my career has been going very well because of you only. You are the only reason for my success. From now onwards, your son Prestige will always be successful. And to face all the hurdles, you should always help me. Cooking forever.
Is anybody there?
What happened? All the mechanic workshops are closed today. Everyone has come together.
We have come to talk regarding the
A
marriage.
wedding offer? For whom?
You don't know, boss? Boss is the big Black Panther.
Oh, he's that big a guy. Come, you can sit and talk. Tell me, what can I do for you?
Robbery, murder, rape. My boss was living with pride. God knows who cast his eye on him. He decided to go for a love marriage.
Theft and killer. What should I do for that?
Got to hear that you are the biggest chef in this town. Therefore, I've come to place an order for a banquet.
You don't worry about that. I will do my best and everyone will bless you after the marriage. By the way, how many people will come for your marriage?
There might be 500 odd people who like us and around 1,500 odd people who do not like us.
The number of people who hate you are more. Some problem will be there.
Most probably,
Then what will you do?
I have an idea for that.
What is that idea?
The 1,500 people who do not like me, you know what? They'll be made to sit together and you're going to poison them.
You want me to mix poison?
You're going to manage that, right?
Which date is your marriage?
The coming 15th.
Oh my god. I don't have the good fortune to cook for your marriage.
Why is it so?
Because that day I am going to Dubai for another marriage. So you may go now.
Bring my box,
Oh
buddy.
my god. You should know one thing, mister. Even if you give me a suitcase full of money or a pot full of money, you cannot buy this prestige because I am the son of my
God,
father.
Just open it, man.
What is all this?
This is a big knife. Rope to hang. Poison bottle.
What for?
If we don't like a particular person, we are going to kill him the way we like. But if we like somebody, he'll be killed the way he prefers. I like you a lot.
Whatever he is doing, he has some policy in it. What is this for? Even after I die, you won't leave me.
Why did you close it, man?
I have decided something.
Planning to escape or what?
No, to agree for you.
Come here. Give me the complete list of items you're going to use for a good banquet.
Mr. Potbelly.
Just write what we are going to tell. 10 bags of rice,
The shop in the town is going to close by 10 o'clock. We'll take it then.
2 bags of sugar,
registered shop in our area. We'll ransack it.
200 coconuts,
Plenty of groves on the way. We are going to whack it from there.
Hello, you will pluck it, you will flick it, and you'll steal it. You can buy it. Will any one of you say that? Hope you have a girl to get married to, or else you will pick her up from some other marriage.
Why? Do you have any females at home?
Hello, old lady.
What, sir?
Just get out and get lost. Only if you start stealing from now, you will get all the ingredients before marriage, so you can go.
Okay then.
How much did I ask for, and what am I getting now? Hello, Potbelly. Where is everyone else?
boss. When these rowdies came, they became afraid and went immediately.
Then how are we gonna cook for him? I don't know.
Boss, nothing to worry at all. I know 5 cooks. I will tell them to come and we'll do the needful.
Ask them all to come now.
Hi, welcome, Mr.
Yeah.
Seven.
Good morning,
welcome
sir.
to
Good
all.
morning. Hello, Mr. Potbelly. Have all these people come to buy the balance from last marriage? sir.
Boss, these are the cook I told you. He's my boss.
Hey, what is this? He is our boss. Welcome. He is my friend.
Hi, hello.
Oh, brother, you have a lot of hair on your head. Very good hairstyle. But when you serve, make sure your hair doesn't fall. He is also my friend.
Hello.
Welcome. And he can make good dosas. If you look at his face, you don't feel like having dosa. We don't want him. He will help us to serve pickles. As soon as you serve, you should
Okay,
go.
sir.
Who is this brother? I don't like him now only.
He makes pongal.
Oh, you are that person. Come
Yeah,
here.
go.
I have a small, no, really big advice for you. Whatever you cook is not a big deal. Whatever you cook should give others. That is what you should do. You understood that?
My name is just Saravanan.
You can be any Saravanan, my boy. I have already started liking you. When I see all of you, there is a lot of height difference. Are you sure you have come here to cook only?
I knew you would doubt us.
Oh, you knew I would doubt you.
On the way, We got a really good idea.
What is that idea?
As we came, we got a marriage order too, sir.
Oh, that's
And
great,
that
my
too,
boy.
a strict police officer's daughter's wedding.
What date is it?
This month 15.
The same day, boss has taken order for another marriage also.
Hey, Potbelly, when did I commit for it? They made me commit and go
Boss,
away.
my uncle daughter's come to age, so I have to go home.
You heard that, no? He looks like an uncle and he has an auntie who is expecting a child, it seems. All this is happening because of him. And all this you don't know and you have a police order.
Boss? Who is big, police or the rowdy?
It is very confusing. Whatever it is, please make it clear.
The order which we took from the police, you took it from a rowdy, and we will arrest the rowdy on the same day.
You mean to say that Rowdy will get arrested?
We can give a complaint against him.
Please don't talk nonsense. It's getting late for me. I'm going.
Potbelly!
That's all right. Let him go.
Uh-uh.
Why are you taking this coin?
Whenever I am confused, I'll toss a coin and see. Now I am going to toss a coin and decide for your own good. Let's see what comes. If it's head,
It's heads. It's heads, my boss. Everything will be all right. All is well, my boss.
Tell me, Mr. Shravan, what's the matter?
He is our boss.
Hello.
Welcome.
Tell me.
He has come to give a complaint against the rowdies. All of us have come for that.
Accused Mukund. What is the case?
Yeah, tell him.
sir, he teased the girl
Uh,
who was there in my house cooking for me.
but that lady should
Sir,
be
it's
aged.
eve teasing.
Oh.
If you file a case against him, we will go happily.
Unless that lady comes directly, how can you take the complaint?
Oh, that's right. We have the victim here with us.
This lady's daughter was being tried to molested?
No, sir, this is the girl.
What? What? You mean this is that lady? But she is too aged. Her body is shivering.
I have always asked you to not dance. Now you're dancing. Where are you, my boy?
Yes, boss.
Why this much? Why this much? Why this much makeup? My dear brother.
Just a minute. Sir,
You are giving a complaint against Mukund. We should not have any problem.
sir, your daughter should get married, no?
So what?
He is a rowdy, sir. He's gonna get married to some girl. You should only think about it.
Sir, we don't have enough time to think and all. Before the scene gets over, she will get over.
Okay. Accused Mukund will be arrested.
That's great. Then your daughter's marriage will happen. Oh!
Hi, how are you? Welcome. Please do come.
Hey, mix it properly.
Where are
go,
you,
man.
my dear boy? If you keep cooking like this, we won't eat
Hey, boss,
anything.
boss, please come and see how the Black Panther is being arrested.
Come, come,
Let's go, let's
Just
go.
have a look at this. I'll come now.
Come fast. Hey, man, wait there.
Hey, finally you have shown your cunningness with me, huh?
Look at your face. You are good for nothing. You have no deserving to get married. I want to cook for everyone. He asked me to mix poison, sir. You should not put him in jail. He will eat everyone's meals all by himself. Make him work in a mechanic shop. Why are you staring, man? Why are you staring?
This is the look of vengeance, boss.
What is vengeance?
Vengeance means he and you got vengeance to each other.
Ah.
This will last till your death. Your wives will kill each other. Both your children will actually fight each other till the end.
Ah.
Where will all this end? Nobody knows.
He doesn't think all this, but you are saying all this.
Hey, there is no point talking to him like this. You should just beat him up like this. Yeah, go
No
for
need,
it.
no need, it's okay.
Oh, a big mountain like my brother has been destroyed.
Hey,
Yeah.
my boss was a stud. You turned him into a comedian, right? He's telling you only, boss. You're putting me to bigger shame, huh?
All right, let's turn around. Hey, I am not here.
You
It's
are the
okay.
reason for all this.
Why is he staring me like that?
Everything is smoothly finished.
Sir, 1 minute. Boss, how can you serve? Give it to me.
The way he is talking, it feels like I am putting bomb. Let me serve something at least.
Give it to me, boss.
Hello, my dear brother. They are not going to do karate with all this. Don't serve as if you are eating. Just serve one for everyone.
boss.
Oh God, they are not letting me do anything.
My boss, what are you doing, huh?
He was very hurrying that he couldn't take anything.
Where is it? Hey, give it to me.
My dear brother, if I get 5 people like you,
You already got us. Let me do my work now.
it's okay. They are not even letting me speak, but they are having everything. I don't know where these people came from, but I definitely know where they are going to take me.
I will reach there any moment. Please tell them.
Sir, where are you going without eating?
I am taking parcel with me.
Why all this tiffin box? You are going to another place, huh?
Good joke. You have given a complaint about Mukund, right?
Yeah, what happened for that? He is just a good for nothing fellow. What happened to him?
The moment he was arrested, within half an hour, I got transferred from this place.
What? Transferred you?
I have been transferred to my native place.
Sir, if he has transferred somebody who has arrested him, then what will he do to our boss?
That's right.
Give me idea, sir.
Please advise,
They are
sir.
not able to bear the suspense. Please tell them. What should I do? I will tell
thank
you the
you.
suspense.
Hello? If I've been transferred, you have hit him. What will happen to you now? He will not leave you.
Sir, why
so
are you
all
scaring
please
me like
leave
this?
at the earliest. This is my advice. Okay, leave
Sir,
me the
sir,
way.
please
Leave
don't
me the
go, sir.
way. Let
Sir,
me go.
say something, sir. Please, sir, help me.
During the olden days, there were a lot of popular cities, and this city is one among them. This southern part of India was governed by the famous Pandya and the Choran kingdoms. And now, we are going to see the few people who are living in the city who belong to the younger generation. The guy who's having a smoke now is called as Akash, and his father is working in the local police department. Elder brother working at the corporation department, a sister who's married a school teacher, his sister-in-law, her children, and his mother. He had a wonderful family. Even though he had a good family, this boy had a lot of bad activities. Who was the reason behind that? Believe me, his own dad. My dear son,
Yes,
give
Dad.
me a pack of cigarettes from the shop.
I'm getting late for school, Dad.
It'll not take much time to get a pack of cigarette, okay? Just see what is written in the cigarette pack and try to read that first. Hey, stop, stop! What are you doing, stupid fellow? If you dilute so much, how can I get a kick? Keep the whistle there. The activities which should not be done in front of a child. But this man did all of this in front of his son. What more you require for a son to follow that? This guy has got a different name, A to Z. He's never seen his parents in his life at all. So he thought, between the alphabets A to Z, his father would be having some name. So he himself kept this different name as A to Z. Just for a few minutes pleasure in their life, the father and mother left their kid alone. An old lady who was running a petty shop, she had brought up this kid in her life. But growing up, this guy thought that he was all alone in his life. His only relatives were his own close friends. Now this guy's name is Mukhil. He will always have a face as though he has lost something in his life. The main reason behind that is, during his school-going days, he had undergone a very painful life. When he had returned from his school, he saw a scene in his house which made him shatter. His own mother having an illegal relationship with a guy next door. This small boy had to see that. Not only that, his mother left this small child and went with that younger one for a safety life. His father committed suicide. Because of all these happenings, even though he was a child, he did not cry. He took all the sad things in his heart, and this guy is unable to come out from that till date. This guy's name is called Ganesh, a strong devotee of Lord Shiva. Even though he's got his own parents, he still lives as an orphan.
If I'm not there, you'll be getting so many of them. Go, I don't want you. Hey, I told your father and son, no.
Why are you coming back? You go with your mother.
Constant fight between his parents, his mother left this boy and went away. So this Ganesh also had his close friends as his relatives. This man's name is Anand, the only person in this group who's financially strong. After his college days, just 2 years before, he joined this group of friends. He always gets financial help from his father, who is running a restaurant business, to enjoy in his life with his friends. The reason why he is spending for his close friends, you will get to know when you see this story. A man who always likes to show off in his life, who thinks himself as a movie star in his life, a real crazy guy. A knife in the waist, big moustache, staring eyes. People may think that he's a big rogue. The way he combs his hair, people has thought that he's a big musician. But to be very frank, he himself doesn't know who is he. But he himself introduces as, I'm a little thief, little thief, little thief. Now let's see the heroine of this story, Vijay Lakshmi. This young girl and the guys who were introduced now don't have any connection in between. But because of this young girl, the guys who were enjoying in their
At one glance, she looks very beautiful. Hey, what are you doing here, man? Oh my God, we have come to show a movie only. You go now.
This is what you guys do always, man. Hey, what is your problem, man? I'm just simply cannot tell you everything, man. Go. Hey, go now, man. Why did you lift her and come, man? She looked really beautiful. I asked her, she said okay.
Hey, whatever it is, man. She's dirty, right? Is this your problem or what? When this fella brought her only, I prepared myself. When there is shampoo, why do you worry? I'm going to apply entire thing on her only. Hey, give it here. Hey, meanwhile, you wear this here. It will be very nice on you guys. You come, we should not talk too much.
Hey, 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 hey.
Hey, stop it, man! What is it? You are behaving like a monkey in an orchard, biting everything that you get. What do you fellas want?
Are you trying to misbehave with my girl?
I don't like your girl, man.
Hey!
Hey, don't be violent, man. Wait, man.
I do not require a gun to shoot you. I just require a knife to kill you, okay? Yes, he's right. He's right.
Hey, stop it, man. Why are you shouting? My eyes are paining.
What? Your eyes are paining? Are you a fool or what? When we shout, your ears should pain.
Hey,
you
some
fool.
bloody thing is paining. Come to the point, man. What is your problem?
Nobody can try to make me bath. I always maintain my cleanliness. But you guys were trying to make bath my girl. I don't want that girl anymore in my life. I don't want her at all.
Hey, is this your problem or what? You jackass. I'll take this girl, soil her up and then bring her back. You will take her or what, huh? Deal or no deal?
No deal.
Hey,
Where did these guys go? Come, let's go and search.
Hey, dear. Taking this as a big problem, he's left you and gone, right? Were you a big problem for him or what?
Whatever it is, you're very beautiful, super.
Thank you. I'll meet you later. After I become minister, I'll see you back again.
Saw this, guys. She only took bath for one day and now she wants to become a minister.
Hey, now where are you going,
if
man?
I go behind her, I'll get at least a distract. You also come. You also get something. Come.
Go to sleep. I think you're having a nightmare.
Mohanji Daru.
During the daytime in the middle of the road, someone tried to attack the women. The paper is full of nuisance. News after news, it's very bad. Auto driver kidnapped the woman and tried to abuse her. Oh, this is too much. 16-year young girl escaped with her boyfriend.
This has become very common these days.
Yes.
They take their things and move out of the house. They will become friendly with someone else and move on in life.
Let them enjoy, I say. This is not the old times.
There's a limit for everything. It's
Oh.
becoming too much. These modern girls are crossing their limits. If we go on like this, our place will become like Bangalore City.
Wherever you go, there will be this kind of problems.
Yeah.
If you go to park, they will be there. If you go to beach, they will be there. Even in cinema theater, they will be
Is
there.
it
If
so?
you go to shopping mall, they will be there.
Right.
Just for the relaxation, if you stand in the beverage queue, they will be there too.
You mean beverage queue? How is it possible?
Yes. When we patiently waiting in the beverage queue, they will tempt us with their catwalk. We lose our concentration too.
Yeah, you're right.
What should I say? It's a bad world. Now they have started kissing on roads. It's a bad world.
No one else but their parents should be blamed for their behavior in our society.
Why are you blaming only the girls? Boys are the ones who take them, right?
If the boys come and call, why should the girls go with them, huh? That's right. If the girls become strict, then boys can't play with them.
Okay, tell me, why do these girls roam around with the boys? When everyone gets to know, she blames him for everything in the name of teasing.
Why you people are strongly opposing love? Are you against love?
You know, I really hate these girls, uncle. Looking at them gives me the creeps.
Which part?
It's not what you're thinking about, uncle.
Oh.
You're too much.
Okay, you're talking as if you're a noble man. If a girl comes forward, you will take her. No.
We are not getting any girl.
You are jealous, fellow.
Yes, I am jealous. If we didn't get anything, others should not get it.
Is it so? No one should fall in love. If they do, we will separate them.
That's it.
Hi.
Nothing special. If it is true love, we can support them. But it is not like that. They'll look at 4 guys. They'll love 3 guys. They'll roam with 2 guys. Finally, they'll marry and settle with the last guy.
Brother, is it a tea or a hot water?
It's a hot water, hot water.
Isn't the tea ready yet?
Here it is. And look here. For tea and snacks, the bill has crossed 50 rupees.
Are you kidding me? 3 teas and snacks cost 50 rupees?
Listen to me, for 3 snacks and 3 tea, it is only 30 rupees. But your non-stop account is there, no? There is no more place to write it down. To purchase a new book, it will cost 20 rupees. Do you understand me?
Hey, Tushara came here.
I don't know whether he came or not, but Sarama left.
Hey, where were you? I didn't see you for so long. Don't you have any punctuality?
Hey, look at him. I came at 7 o'clock in the morning. I didn't even brush my teeth. You know that?
So pathetic. How I look like super, no?
You look more like a dummy.
You look funny. Where did you get this shirt and pant? You should have worn green pants.
For what?
If we walk around, people will start thinking you're a parrot.
Oh God.
For that we need luck, you know? You just see. Just how deal with the girls.
After some time, her dad will deal with you.
After that, the people will deal with you.
That's why you are remain worthless fellow. Go. Go for any work.
You go to work, man.
I didn't go for any job. You know, I give work for others.
Yeah, that I can see. I can see that you're a troublesome man.
Little
Kill
try.
you.
Here, have some.
Hey, what is this?
It's a tasty snack. It's called Bonda.
I don't want this.
Okay, I'll have it.
These onions, when it's eaten fresh,
It's very hot, right?
it's not hot, it's cold.
Then you give me one.
Huh? Sure.
Ooh. He eats like a street dog.
Bonda is also tasty. In the morning time, you should not take oily food. Cholesterol will rise.
Then take this one too. Cholesterol and sugar will be high.
You're crazy.
Let me move to her and say I love you to her. By the way, Tushara.
Hey guys, everything is over. I think today he'll make it.
My dear Shushil, she is already liking him. Today he will propose her. They will join together and walk together in front of us. What we will do?
Hey, don't you worry.
Huh?
Nothing will happen.
Hi. Hello, Tushara. I have been waiting for long. I just want to tell something.
I'm little busy.
Green and green is very match, no? Is it right or not? Where you're trying to go? Hey, don't go. I want to tell something. Stupid fellows.
Hey, what did you do to him? Huh?
If the Bonda is eaten, I fixed a small bomb.
Bomb?
Oh no, she's always coming in a vehicle. Today, we should do something. I need to tell you something.
What are you doing?
Mom, you will not understand this.
What you have written in this?
Oh, this. It says, "Mujhe kuch kehna hai." It means you have to drive your vehicle on the left side of the road.
He has washed his scooter nicely. Painted in yellow color.
Dad, I'm taking your vehicle.
I need it to go to my office.
That's what I'm taking.
Where are you going?
Kavita.
Kavita? What Kavita?
Oh, Dad, it's not with Kavita. I'm going to Kavita Theatre. I like to go to movie with Kavita, but she's not responding.
Always crazy about movies.
Okay, go. I'll slowly follow you.
मुझे कुछ कहना है, मुझे कुछ कहना है, मुझे कुछ कहना है, मुझे कुछ कहना है, मुझे कुछ कहना है.
Huh? Where did she come from? Did she notice me?
Malu, what you're reading, ma?
Rhymes, mom.
You have to read well, okay?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Malu.
When the blasting sun is gone,
Malu?
when there nothing he shines upon, then how
Can you
show
please
your
stop this?
little light? Twinkle.
Always you are studying the same thing. Instead of that, you can see the max. Okay, where is your slate?
Here only is there.
Take it.
Brother, I don't want max. I'll just read the rhymes itself.
No, you have to read the max only. Let her read whatever she wish.
Mother, brother is telling me to not to read the rhymes.
Your brother will teach you max, so read properly, okay? Your father will bring color pencils for you.
To my sweetheart, to show my love for you, dear. Let me sing a song for you, to show my love to you, sweetheart. When this life.
You are totally wet in the rain, hope so? You have drink lot, huh?
Oh no, just a little, dear. Just a little. Just get me the towel. Oh, it's really cold.
Now I'm getting very hot.
Come, let's go.
One second.
Yeah.
It's slippery here because of the rain. Please take care.
I have not boosted a lot, okay?
Hey, what you're doing? Just keep quiet now.
Ooh. Ooh.
Very sad. sad. He can't able to live anymore, right?
He is already died, then how come he live?
Very sad.
You don't worry. In the temple a lot is there. I will take and give it to you.
When?
Now itself I will take. But mom won't send, right? But I have an idea.
What's that, brother?
You just tell mom I'll go to river and I want to bath. Then only she will accept. Otherwise she won't leave her. Mom is coming, I think.
What happened? It's getting late for school, no? Why are you crying now? Money, you told that you have to go to school very early, no?
Today is Republic Day, mom. Me only has to go and give the speech because I'm the school leader, right? You should not know anything, mom.
Okay, what happened for you now?
The fishes died, Mom.
Oh, that's the matter. Okay, I'll ask your father to catch you another one.
Now itself I want.
Oh God, look at them once, always playing. Not only mother have to take care of their studies, even father also have to take.
What? What is the problem?
Malu fish was died, Dad.
Oh, that's all. So what, dear? I'll catch lot of fishes for you, okay? Are you happy?
No, Dad, I will go to the river and I'll take the fish
Okay,
for
then
her.
do it for her.
Malu, come, let's go.
Nice father.
They are our children. Children should always be playful. Then alone they'll be healthy and smart.
Oh my God, just keep this one. What guys you are. Before that you did not play it in the water. Better you go that side. Just for a few minutes only we will play and go. Hey, go that side. Why you are talking unnecessary? You spoiled the water. Go that side. I'm telling you, right? I can't able to tolerate this. Better I will take the cloth and I'll go that side. Oh my God. Shit.
What is this? You're fighting with the children and going or what? Eh?
Then what?
Let them jump and play in the water. It feels so nice to see that. People say that it is actually very nice to play in water.
Oh my God, you are telling this to me? Some people used to advise you, but you are advising me? Just see your job and go.
Oh my God. Okay, children, I am also joining you guys.
Oh, come on. We'll play.
Keep the mirror here first.
Malu, you saw my pencil?
No, I never see. That was inside your box only.
Often you're missing. How many pencils I have to buy for you?
Yeah, I got it.
Daddy!
Malu, come soon.
I'm coming.
Shall we go?
Daddy, where is my color pencil? You said you will buy.
Yes, I had brought yesterday color pencils for you. Shit. I don't know where did I keep that.
How you will get remember? If you buy only, you'll be getting remember, no?
Yeah, now I'm able to remember.
Where?
I'll bring it for you just now. Okay?
That side lot of flowers is there. Shall we go and take that flower?
Sure, we need to take that flower.
Come soon. Please have this one. Come soon. Here fish is there. We have to take that one. Here, have it. Oh my God, lots of fish is there.
Soon take that fish, brother.
Yeah, lots of fishes is there. I will take everything and give it to you, okay? Yeah, I got it. Oh shit, I missed that.
Take that fish soon.
Yeah,
Fast,
I'll
fast.
take.
Help me! Anyone is there?
Oh my God, she is in the water.
Please help me! Anyone is there?
Someone please come soon.
Oh my God! What happened? I'm coming.
Come soon! Come soon, please! Fast! Anyone is there?
Oh,
Uncle, take her,
oh my
please.
dear girl. Come. If you wouldn't have seen, my daughter would have died now.
come with this dress into the school.
Yes, it's fully wet. I don't know how to go school. Long years back, we have got a freedom from Stegler. Because of the leaders, we got our India back. In India, we have obeyed rules and regulations and save the old people. We should follow and save the old duties of our nation. Because of some big leaders, we are enjoying the freedom. Then different languages people are also living in India. Because of our leaders, no caste, no religion, all are equal in the basis. We are following in India only, and we all are brothers and sisters. Like that only in India we are living.
Long years back, we have got a freedom from the Stegler. Because of the leaders, we got our freedom back. In India, we have obeyed rules and regulations. We should follow and save the old duties of our nation. Because of some big leaders, we are enjoying the freedom. Then different languages people are also living in India. Because of our leaders, no caste, no religion in India. All are equal in the basis we are following in India only.
In this time, I am saying I am proud to be an Indian. Now I am just completing my speech. Thank you so much. Thank you all.
Got it. Is it okay, Money?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Lisa. Beautiful.
Yes.
Will I get...
Can you rewind it, Money?
Hey, rewind it.
Anand sir, how is my daughter? You have brought all Mumbai models. They all must be shocked looking at my daughter. Lizzie is not only lucky, she is attractive too. Both are needed, no? Oh my god, let her not be affected by this.
Your kid will never wait away, Kochamba. She is exactly Xerox like you.
You only have to say this.
Ha! Don't get upset, Kochamba. You know what? All that, the director is having control. As some typical mother says, any extraordinary people come, they cannot even stand before this Pratap sir. What do you think, man?
Why so doubt? She's got a very sharp brain, you know. Am I right?
Yeah.
If only Guruji can do this, you can dress him like Guruji and make him act in front of camera.
What, Achama? We need a press release and new models too. Always these Prataps are used to ask for it. Considering your needs and wants, I just brought you here. Huh.
Hi, uncle.
Do you know how many ads this Pratap sir is doing? Huh.
You come with me.
Kumar, how is my costume?
What's the big deal in that? I have a skirt and the tiny blouse. Look at the makeup here. Have you seen this girl more beautiful
You're
like
feeling
this?
jealous. When the breeze came, the dress did not move upside. I don't know what went wrong.
Subramani,
Huh?
it's a beautiful. You have to take some different angle from different shots.
Yeah.
Different range.
Yeah.
Mala,
Sir?
work is almost over. We have to take some shots from the fans' view.
Okay,
Just
sir.
look into it.
Sir, Anu.
Oh.
Hey, baby. I did not call you, dear. You can go. This is a different baby. Hey, you come here.
My name is Madhu. I've told you several times to call me by my name.
Oh no, I was actually trying to call my assistant. You know, he's just lean like you. I got confused when I saw your face. Please don't mistake me.
He has already left with another cameraman.
Yeah, I know. I'm the one who sent him. At least his life should become good, you know. Do me a favor. Get me some drinking water.
That is not my job. I've come here as a driver. You are somebody else, they'll bring your drinking water.
Okay, I'm sorry. I have a small doubt. When I was taking a shot, where were you? When you saw that girl, you ran and came here immediately.
You have started just today, but I'm seeing this for the past 1 week.
Oh, so I think you're the scriptwriter for this project. When some other lady artist is coming here, you'll be coming here. That time you'll get it from me. Move that fan towards this side. And switch on the light also.
Hi, baby. Papa's busy in shoot. Okay, I'll be there tomorrow. I have 2 days leave. Sat Chandaka. Okay. I'll call you back.
Good morning, sir.
You already said good morning to me in the morning. This too much show off is not good for your health. That's symbol of fraud. Go, go.
I told you.
Yeah, baby girl.
Always
I was talking
agree.
to one of the fraud. Papa will call you back. Okay.
Sir,
Huh. Have you taken the fan shot?
Yes, sir, I have taken. Sir, I have a guest for you.
Guest for me?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Kartika. Not able to see you somewhere here?
What work will I have when Lissy is here, sir?
Why do you want to think like that?
She has to come within your frame, sir. That's the only request she has.
I heard that some film you are becoming a heroine.
That didn't happen, sir. In fact, it was not even a good company, you know. I didn't know that. Not just in Malayalam, but Tamil, Hindi, Telugu, Kannada, all these were their big promises, you know. In spite of that, its director, he doesn't even know how to write Malayalam properly, you know. Please consider this poor lady, sir. Not because I'm starving, but I'm very dedicated to this field, sir.
Okay. Mala.
Yes, sir.
There is a soap ad we have.
Okay, sir.
Maybe you can give it to Kartika.
But Anand sir asked Lisa to do that, sir.
Lisa, just now she did a soap ad. I'll speak to her child.
Yeah, okay.
She will look after you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
What for?
I'm really happy.
Why?
It's Guruji's ad. So there'll be some decent costumes anyways, whether it's soap or bath.
Hello. Just wait for a minute. As of now, all the things are going on well. Then what's your problem? Just tell me to whom should I go and ask now? To that director. What's his name? Guruji. What is the use of seeing him? I've invested a lot of money in this project. How can he help me? Okay. Now what is your problem? Actually, nobody's giving me the details about my requirement. Can you help me in this case? Let me be very clear. Behind the visuals, what you have seen.
Behind what?
The scenes, what we have shot just now. Behind that, the name of your fan. Very cool. It will be coming in graphics. In between the graphic shot, there will be a clip in the female voice where she says your fan name. Very cool. You mean female? You're right, a lady voiceover. Which means I will hear only the lady voiceover. This is not my requirement. Bro, just a minute. Actually, bro, I have a small clarification.
Sir, what are you talking to me? You are a big multi-millionaire and you're calling me a sir? Sir, this is very bad. Even the production department guys are calling me by my name.
So you can also call me by my name itself, sir. Hey, you Williams. Sir, actually, I was just joking with you. You have taken it very seriously.
Okay. Hey, you William, sir. You come to the next topic.
Sir, today's shoot is packed up. We have some work in the studio.
That I'm not bothered, my dear friend.
Okay. My requirement is that extracurricular activities.
Yeah, mixing. You're talking about the graphics, right? Do I look like a mad fellow, my dear friend? The lady artist who acted in this advertisement, that artist's name is also
Lisa. Full name Lisa Elizabeth.
I'm not bothered about the entire name and all.
Can we get her?
Can I get her for some enjoyment? What is the matter?
So again, I have to explain to you.
Yeah.
Before you had got this project, do you know what and all Mr. Anand had promised me to offer? You were also beside him that time.
You mean Lisa?
Yeah.
That is not possible at all. Already lot of guys are going behind her, you know. I'm sure you'll not get hurt. You know about her mother? She's a big devil. Let me be very clear, if her mother gets angry, you may have to go to hell and then market your fan products there. Do you understand, my dear friend? He's asking such a silly question. My dear friend, actually I had an intention that all the models will be adjusting for these cases. But now my money is wasted, that's it. Actually you're mistaken, sir. I just told you that you will not get Lisa alone. But there are a lot of other girls too.
Is that so?
Of course. You will get better beautiful girls than Lisa.
So what I've heard is true, am I right?
I'm 100% right, sir.
Yeah, this is what I expected.
You mean my statement? Most of them are for sale.
For?
I mean for sale. To be very clear, everything is for sale. Two beautiful girls are going. Hi!
Hasn't he seen any girls?
I hope I'll get any one of these two girls. Hey, can I get her? She's just come for some ad shooting. Actually, I am planning to start a studio like this.
Mummy.
Yo! Yo!
Whom do you want to see?
Anand sir had called us. That's why we came to meet.
I'm the personal secretary of the person whom you are looking for. I am all in all for this Ayanora studio. Now you tell me, why did you come?
This man, is he connected to Mr. Anand?
Yeah, actually, I also belong to that category.
Huh. So that man has got these type of people contacts? Oh.
You know what? I have a lot of work to do. Don't you understand what I talk?
He said there's some shooting, so he called us.
Is it something related to undergarments?
That is what, like, ladies wear body.
It's not bodies, it's bodies. Is this girl is a model?
Yes, she is my daughter.
Can you get up? Sister, you've been so many times ups and downs. You sit here. You get up. Just turn around. I mean, did Achayan see this girl?
He has seen the photos.
Yeah, photo is not a 3D.
Bloody stupid fellow. Who, me? Not you, I'm calling him. The person who's investing money, he's not getting anything in return.